Hi there, welcome back. So in this lecture we're gonna be learning about the nested if. So I'm gonna get rid of everything that I had from my previous lecture and refactor my variable values a bit. Let's make it 11, and I'm gonna hit enter, call my if statement, set my condition a. If a is greater than b, end it with a colon, hit enter, call your print function, get inside the parentheses and type this is not true. So what we did on our previous lectures is that we exit out of this if block by holding down our shift and tab, but for nested if we're not gonna exit out, rather we're gonna stay in and we're gonna call our if again, set a second condition. For an example, a is greater or equal, add a space, then b, end it with a colon, hit enter, call your print function, get inside, add single quote, and I'm gonna simply type this is also not true because a is not equal or greater, because a has a smaller value, right? Okay, so now we're gonna hit enter again and we're gonna call our if, then set a condition c is less or equal than a. End your statement with a colon, hit enter, and call your print function and type this is not possible, hit enter, call your print, set condition b is equal to a, end your statement with a colon, hit enter, call your print function, and get inside the parentheses, add single quote and type well, this is not true. So as you can see that we can go on and on and on, and we can check many conditions inside a nested if. So finally when you are done, you would wanna go all the way to the edge of your IDE by holding down your shift and tab and type else, hit enter, call your print function, get inside the parentheses, add single quote and type, you can say whatever you want. Okay, so now if I right click run it, we're gonna have print this instead, because none of these conditions were true, and that is the reason why this program fall back into the else block and printed whatever we had in this else block. So that's pretty much it about the nested if in Python. I hope this has been informative and you've learned some valuable lesson. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks, bye.